Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So in today's video I just decided to do a review video. I wanted to do the review of the Buffet serum. So I have been using this for almost 3 months now and I wanted to give you guys my full on review, how I felt about this product. Is it worth the price or not? Is it actually worth the hype? Because a lot of people do like this serum a lot, so that's why I wanted to have a review on this. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel or if you are seeing me for the first time, I make skincare and beauty related videos here, so you can hit that subscribe button and enjoy my content twice each week. So without further ado, let's get started. So the peptide serum is not like any other serums from the ordinary. It is quite different because this has a buffet, as by the title you can see. It is a buffet of a lot of ingredients, a lot of active ingredients. So this is actually a peptide serum that targets the signs of aging. It is mainly used for anti-aging treatments or for anti-aging purposes. So this has a combination of highly concentrated number of peptides and also amino acids and hyaluronic acids, and together they form this amazing powerful combination for anti-aging purpose. So what a peptide serum does is that it hydrates, because as we age we can have moisture loss and our barriers of the skin becomes very dry. So it really helps to hydrate and plump the skin. Also it helps in the wrinkles. It helps to reduce fine lines. It also helps to remove texture from our skin due to aging, and also it stimulates collagen and controls the signs of aging on our skin. So it has a bunch of good benefits of using the peptide serum. So Buffet serum contains 11 amino acids and multiple forms of hyaluronic acid. So it has a total of 25%. This actually contains 25% of active ingredients in it, which is a lot. But also the active ingredients here are not something that's going to react to your skin. For example, active ingredients like salicylic acid, lactic acid, retinols have kind of reactive tendencies on the skin, but this doesn't. The Buffet serum doesn't at all. But you do have to know which and what to pair this with in order to get the full potential of this serum. So the ordinary Buffet serum is a little pricey, on the pricey side when you compare this with other ordinary products. For example, other ordinary products cost around 8 pounds, 7 pounds, 5 pounds, but this retails for 12 pounds, which when you convert it into Indian rupees, it's like 1200-ish, on that range. So alone this cost me 1200 rupees, and I have been using this for 3 months now. So the texture of this serum is again like any other serums from ordinary. It is a little on the sticky side. It has that water consistency to it, watery liquidy consistency to it, and it's when you put this on your skin it has a little bit of stick to it, but it definitely absorbs into the skin. Then after that you have to put on your night cream or your moisturizer or anything of that sort. You cannot just use this alone and go to bed, because then it's not going to work up to its full potential. So what I noticed after using the serum is that I noticed that this serum gave me that hydration I need, because this has very many different types of hyaluronic acid in it. So I did notice on that hydration part that it was really good. Also I noticed that it made my skin very plump, that was the visible notice. I felt like my skin was looking healthy and plump. I definitely cannot show you pictures of before and after, because there isn't a drastic change when you use something like this. You mainly use a serum like this to protect yourself from aging or to treat anti-aging things. So that's why I have been using this serum. So as I said, I did notice that my skin was looking very plump than before. Overall my skin condition, health condition was good. My skin's condition was good. It was very plump, it was hydrated, it had a glow from within kind of a look I had after using this serum. Also a major thing I noticed is that whenever I use almost a matte kind of a foundation, I wouldn't say total matte, but a soft matte kind of foundation, what I notice is that I have smile lines here. So my foundation always sinks into these fine lines. Like after 2-3 hours, my foundation always sinks into these fine lines. They just loves to sink into these fine lines, and especially a soft matte kind of a finish. So I personally never like soft matte kind of foundations for my skin, but after using this Buffet serum, what I noticed was my fine lines were reducing. I mean, my smile lines, not my fine lines, but my smile lines were reducing, and whenever I would put on a foundation, they did not sink into my smile lines at all, and that's the biggest difference I noticed. And it's not something, I cannot see this visibly on my skin. Like for example, whenever I smile, like right now, I cannot see any smile lines, or whenever I just look into a mirror, I cannot see any smile lines. But whenever I put on a foundation, only that time I notice that I have a little bit of wrinkle kind of a situation here. But after using this, I swear I noticed a huge difference, and that's just why I love it so much, and I have been incorporating it in my skincare routine for more than 3 months now. And I just feel like even though this has a little bit more price to it, it's there for a reason. For a reason, Ordinary priced this on the higher side. I just think that if you are someone who is in their 30s, who is in their 20s, mid 20s, late 20s, and want to introduce something that isn't going to irritate your skin like retinol does, and also wants to have that anti-aging regimen going on, I do think that this is such a good serum to have. So about this serum, few things I do want to say, that it is going to take 6 weeks before you see a visible difference in your skin. It's just going to take a little longer than other serums in your skincare routine maybe, but yeah, it is going to take a little bit of time. Also, I would say whenever you are using a Buffet, if you are already using a retinol, you can use a Buffet, but use them on a separate routines. Like for example, today you can use a retinol, and tonight you can go in with this Buffet. Also, this Buffet is something that you can use in the morning skincare routine too. It's not only strictly for the nighttime skincare routine, but I like to keep all my most active ingredients in the nighttime routine. So that's why I like to put this on my nighttime skincare routine, but you can also use this in the daytime skincare routine. So how I like to put this Buffet serum into my skincare routine is I like to put this only on my nighttime skincare routine, because I do not want to just do so much of skincare in the morning. My morning skincare is very simple, so that's why I like to put this only in my nighttime skincare routine. Now I will show you guys the steps that I do when I put this Buffet serum. So first I go in with a cleanser. The cleanser that I use has very simple ingredients. It's a little on the hydrating side, so I really love that cleanser a lot. So I go in with my cleanser, usually just like normal cleansers, and I cleanse my face, and after cleansing my face, I go in with this Buffet serum. So this Buffet serum, I do not need a lot of it. I just need 3 drops for all of my face and my neck area too. I never ignore the neck area. It's very, very important that you always apply your serums down to your neck as well. So that is why I like to take 3 drops, sometimes 3.5 drops, and it just soaks into my skin so well. So after going in with the Buffet serum, I like to go in with my Cosrx Snail Mucin. Now I really love the Cosrx Snail Mucin a lot, because this ingredient is so good. It just pairs with each and everything I have, each and every active ingredient. It's just a very, very good product, skincare product, and that's why I like to put this all over my face and my neck area too. And after going in with the Cosrx Snail Mucin, I go in with a moisturizer. Either I go in with a moisturizer or I go in with my night cream. I am using the Biotique night cream here, and I really love this a lot. And I have been using this, it's almost more than a year I have been using this continuously, and I cannot live without it. Even though this has a little bit of fragrance to it, I cannot live without it. It just makes my skin so glowy, so hydrated. And after going in with the night cream, I just top everything off with a squalene oil. I love this so much. Either I use the ordinary squalene oil or I use the minimalist squalene oil, it doesn't matter. I just go in with a very good hydrating product. right before sleeping, and it just makes my skin very hydrated and very, you know, plumped the next morning. So I really have been loving the Buffet serum a lot. I have been using it for, as I said, for such a long time, and I will still continue to use it. I will definitely repurchase this once I run out of it, and because this has such great ingredients in it. And honestly, peptide serums do cost a little bit more, but I am just willing to spend that much money on this Buffet serum. And this one actually costs so cheap compared to other peptide serums in the market. Other high-end peptide serums cost like around $100, $150, $70, but getting a peptide serum for just 12 pounds or for 1,200 rupees is just amazing. And I am at the age of 25, and it's time for me to include anti-aging into my skincare routine. So that was it for my today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I know my reviews are a lot longer, but I do like to include all the informations that I have, how I like to use it, if this has any possible reactions to your skin, what is a peptide serum, what it does, and everything of that sort. So if you're new to this channel, I would love if you could check out my content. If you like the vibe here, definitely feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining in today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for checking this video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.